up, guys? Antonio here, and today I'm with my brother Dante.
Sup?
And today we're going on a boat with Vinny. We're waiting for him to pick us up, but when he does, we'll catch you guys back.
What?
Look at the weight.
I'll look at it.
This is the boat?
Yes.
Really nice.
1,050 pounds. I thought it would
That's
be
the weight
nine.
limit?
Yeah. I thought it would be 1,050 pounds.
Woo, we're right about 1,050.
Why
Wow.
you bring a penny bowl?
Yeah, why did you?
Why not? Exactly. Why'd you bring a hat?
Because to keep the sun out of my eyes.
It's on the corner, you know what I mean?
Hey, Jake. Jake,
Jake, don't hit a house.
if we crash, I'm blaming you.
Yes. Blame it on Jake.
Yeah, blame it on Jake if he crashes.
Oh yeah, remember that?
You want to, like, put it up and
Remember my class started at... Sup, boy? Remember my class
Alright,
started
we're going right now. Really nice view.
there's a lot you can
Boy,
Go get it.
I'm gonna go get that now.
What? No, you don't have to get it.
Vinny, save my spot. Save my spot. Dante, here.
What?
Here, take that. I'm getting in the
What
tube.
are they?
Oh, they're over there. They're all the way over there.
I see them.
I see too. We're gonna stay, Vinny. Vinny. Hey,
Play with Jake.
hey.
What?
We're staying in this tube when we're going on the waves, right?
I don't know.
We're gonna, cause we can.
Okay, we're only allowed in the... Wait, if you're a fan of SML, he has Cody's mom in his house.
Yeah, that's big.
We do have a pig. And we're all because see Cody's mom, a whale.
Look at Dante and Jake tubing.
Woo!
It looks so much fun. We're all gonna do it. Dante's Dante's.
Look at Dante's face.
He's like bouncing up and down. It's wavy here. Holy cow.
Oh my gosh.
Jesus Christ. So, say what's up to the camera.
So,
Just say what's up.
hi. Can I hold the camera?
No.
It's going on. Me and Jake just did this. It's so much fun.
She's really aggressive. She live by us? Yeah. Somewhat down, close. Come out, good block, right after, right on.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Sorry I didn't vlog much after the last clip. Basically what we did was me and Dante went tubing after that clip, and then we docked. So that was basically it. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like if you did, Subscribe to GMD Vinny over here. He makes great videos. And subscribe for more. Also, stay tuned for the Hershey Park vlog. That should be coming. I'm gonna upload day 1, the day we come back, which would be Thursday, and then day 2 on Friday. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe for more. See you guys.
It be hard to watch your cash when the vans keep dropping. Got the big 40 on me, so my pants keep falling. It be hard to understand when coming.